Nothing compares to the warm, deep glow created by pure Brazilian carnauba wax as the key ingredient for gloss, shine, and protection. DP, the Brazilian carnauba paste wax, uses T1 Brazilian carnauba wax flakes exclusively to create that deep, wet shine everyone loves. Each jar of wax is hand poured with care, and then the wax is slow cooled to create a wax that is buttery smooth, making it easy to apply, spread, and wipe off. Besides the pure T1 Brazilian carnauba, a unique blend of silicone resins are also included to create a hydrophobic surface with excellent water beading to help prevent water spotting, plus make drying faster and easier after washing. Unlike old school carnauba waxes that require a lot of elbow grease to both apply and wipe off, the Brazilian is a wipe on, wipe off formula. No need to wait for the wax to dry or haze before removing. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.